Hello, Stock Planner here. Today we're going to talk about Starbucks. Starbucks has been riding between $70 and $80, and all of a sudden today it jumped up significantly. What's the reason? Doing a quick Google on Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX. Starbucks surges after ousting the CEO and replacing with the Chipotle CEO, Brian Niccol. And for that, this stock has jumped up into the 90s, and it was originally trading the day before in the 70s. So I am a mean reversion trader, and when I see this big jump, I normally think that this gap is going to fill eventually, and so I look for an option trade, taking advantage of that gap fill or reversion to the mean, which is about 80, and I want to give myself enough time. Going to a free tool called OptionStrat, typing in the symbol SBUX, going out to October 18th, and I've selected out of many options, but I selected a bear call spread. Bear in the title normally means down. Here's the green, that's normally down for a bear call spread. And if it would be a bullish type situation, the green would be up here. This is your profit, your playing field. And you can take profit or loss anywhere along these dates up until October 18th. If it does expire, this thing looks like it's going to expire at $173. Yes, $173 put in our pocket right away. And you can use that from other trades. It's available to you. But you have to reserve $500 in margin. Doesn't mean you're going to use $500 margin. It just means reserve. Your max loss is this. It's going to be this minus this equals this, which is 327. Max profit is 173, and your break even is 96.73. 96.73. So if it goes down to 90 or 80, or I think it's going to go in, in this area here, I'll expect to have a expected profit of about 122. But if it goes in the opposite direction, about that same amount, I'm going to lose 142. So that's your risk. You can set your stop losses and profit targets at 7%, and your stop loss at 5.9 or 6%, somewhere in this area. And then you can set your alerts for that. And I use a spreadsheet, and my stop loss is I'm going to buy when it gets to 82, 83, somewhere in there, and I'm going to take and get out of it at $102. It's at 93 or 92 right at the moment. Yeah, 93, 78, 94. So if it goes another $6 up, I'm getting out. And currently I'm winning. Of course, I just did this today. And up until this past week, I had about 21 different trades, and I took them off. Now I had some losses. And on Friday, taking off 6, I had about $500 worth of loss. And I have currently some losing trades now. This is a long-term trade. This is Heinz. This is that soft drink, energy drink company that had a big dive. But I only have to have a little distance to go to have a win. So it's currently in a loss, but it only has to move a little bit for me to be back into positive territory. So this is a spreadsheet in Google, and it automatically gives me alerts. It's just saying, look, you're losing on this, buddy, in Ultra. So after taking a lot of my trades off in the last 3 days, I'm looking to recharge, and I'm recharging the next couple of days. I feel several stocks are bargains to buy, and I feel that several stocks are at their all-time high. Back to Starbucks, the crazy hype. I think it's going to soon fade, and things will get back to normal, and it'll drop. I have to put up $500 worth of margin, and I immediately get $173 in my bank account, and at expiration, I can win $173. But if I choose to take profit somewhere in here earlier, I'll receive less and can move on to the next trade. So what do you think of this trade? Is this stock going to continue going up because of the new CEO? Or was this everybody excited and hype, and that hype will soon fade? Well, that's what I think. Please leave a comment below on what you think. Remember, don't copy this trade. Do your own due diligence. Don't be affected by what others think. Although my daughter does like Starbucks. And happy trading. We'll catch you on the flip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.